Ordering ice cream. Excuse me. What is your best ice cream?
Our chocolate ice cream is very popular.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Is it very sweet?
No, not very sweet.
Can I try it?
Of course.
Wow! It is good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Do you want chocolate?
Yes, please.
Cone or cup?
A cone, please.
Small or large?
Small, please.
1 scoop.
Yes, 1 scoop.
Anything else?
Yes.
What would you like?
Strawberry, please.
2 flavors?
Yes, please.
Chocolate and strawberry?
Yes, that's right.
Good choice.
How much is it?
It is $4.
$4?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Can I have some chocolate sauce?
Sure.
Just a little.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Here is your ice cream.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks delicious.
Enjoy it. Be careful.
Why?
It melts fast.
Oh, really?
Yes, very fast.
Ordering food. Wow! That smells so good.
Welcome.
What do you have?
We have burgers.
And fries?
Yes, we do.
What about hot dogs?
Yes, we have hot dogs.
Which one is popular?
The cheeseburger.
Is it spicy?
No, it isn't.
Good. I want one.
Small or large?
Small, please.
Do you want fries?
Yes, please.
Small fries.
Yes.
Anything to drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Anything else?
No.
Your order is ready soon.
How much is it?
It's $8.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great.
Your burger is ready.
Thank you.
Be careful, it's hot.
Okay, thanks.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
Wrong pizza order. Hello. I have a problem.
What happened?
My order is wrong.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I ordered a pizza,
Yes, I see.
but I got the wrong pizza.
The wrong pizza?
Yes,
What pizza did you get?
I got a cheese pizza.
And what did you order?
I ordered a pepperoni pizza.
Oh, I see.
I'm very upset.
I'm really sorry.
I waited for 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, 1 hour. Can you help me?
Of course.
Can you send my pizza?
Yes, we can.
A pepperoni pizza?
Yes, exactly.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes, I'm afraid so.
That's too long.
I understand.
Can you make it faster?
I'll try my best.
Okay.
Can I have your address?
Yes, it's 25 Green Street.
Got it.
Please don't make a mistake again.
I won't. I promise.
Thank you. Will I pay again?
No, of course not.
Okay, thank you.
Your pizza is coming soon.
I hope so.
Enjoy your pizza.